just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend, work is coming to an end.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful curly wig from Lwigs. They sent me this 18-inch curly 180% density 13x6 HD lace frontal wig.
I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I hit replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better. There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend, work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to.
The lace is definitely melted, you guys, with like very little effort. So I'm pretty impressed. Like, we might not even need to do baby hairs with this look, but we should probably do a couple. Want to see my birthday nails? My nails a little dirty, but these are my birthday nails I did.
Breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I hit replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better. There is just something.
So guys, I think I'm gonna leave this wig like this because it's giving a natural hair vibe. How cute is this wig? Like, oh my goodness. What do you guys think? This is definitely the best way to rock this wig. For sure, hands down.
About you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
And she's definitely giving kinky vibes, but on the website it's not classified as like a kinky curly wig. It's just called curly. But you guys, tell me that this is not kinky. This is so kinky that I wanted to showcase the wig and almost in a sense of like an afro style, you know, if you had your own hair and you were just wearing it out, kind of just tossed over. We can obviously part this wig. It has a 13x6 parting space, but I just wanted to come originally and show you guys what it looks like, kind of like this, because as I was styling it, I really tried my best not to disturb the curl pattern because I thought it was so pretty. All I did for this application was just use some hairspray. It was definitely like effortless. It just melted to my skin, that HD lace. I did put a bit of powder right here. I can almost see a little bit of a lighter tinge there. That's because of the hairspray. You can see like there's nothing there. You really can't tell where that lace starts and where, you know, the hair starts. So I'm really loving the fact that it is definitely a true HD lace. So full, so bouncy, and it's pretty soft for this style of hair. I would say this wig is an everyday wig because you can wear it glueless. When I put it on originally, I didn't feel like, oh, I have to put some glue on there to secure it. Like, it literally felt like it was just gonna stay in place. Of course, we want to part it and show you guys with it parted what it looks like. We will have to spray her down just to kind of tame those curls because, yeah, she's looking a little crazy. I'm going to be using this Aussie Miracle Curl Mousse. I find with kinky wigs, you have to really define those curls, and you have to, when you define them, you have to leave it alone, because once you start playing with it, it'll turn into a frizzy mess. This is what it's looking like, you know, parted down the middle. It is a nice clean part. I did bleach the knots on my unit beforehand and it lifted really nicely. It didn't take any work or anything like that for me to lift it. I personally prefer it the other way. What do you guys think? Do you prefer it this way or the way that I had it originally? I think it's a great option for you guys if you want an everyday like afro kinky curly style. This is definitely perfect. I want to show you guys the curls wet up close. I'm gonna leave all the information to Lwigs in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.